Wagwan, my beautiful people. Thanks for stopping by on the channel. So today guys, I am on a Westmoreland tour in the Westmoreland parish. Sometimes we're on our way to Montego Bay and sometimes we don't want to look at a river we can stop and view. So when I reach Ferris Crossing, going to Sav, a spot on my paper, there's a true Jamaican tour guide, fire raid. Yeah man, and tell me say, no like the river yeah. Yeah man, just go put your foot in the water and get a wash off, you know. So I'm going to show you the river, very nice river. But you will not hear the sound of the river because they have some copyright music in the background playing guys. So just catch the view of the river please. Thanks for watching. So yes, my people, Jamaica natural beauty in Westmoreland area guys. So remember, if you're coming from the White House area guys, after you pass the Ferris gas station, yeah man, you go see the river here. And if you're coming from the Savlamar area guys, going towards the Ferris turn off guys, you will see this beautiful river guys. So you can stop and check it out. Big up on yourself anywhere I watch from. Yeah man, may I talk to you. Big up yourself.